Hey everyone, welcome back. I got me a Tozo NC9 today. Now, I have tons of Tozo headsets. Love them. I love them. I mean, they all has a little uniqueness to them. And today, this is the most unique one that I have because it does noise cancellation. And so today, what I want to do is I want to unbox this, and then we're gonna take a look at how good the noise cancellation is compared to something like my AirPod Pro, right? Which is like pretty much the gold standard right now. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this right now, and then we're gonna do a little test. All right, let's do it. Whoop. The unboxing like this right here, it's almost like the AirPod Pro, to be honest with you. So let's take a look here. Obviously, this costs like a fraction of what the AirPod Pro would cost. So I'm really hoping that the noise cancellation and the audio quality would be as good in this one. Little case right here, really nice. Really nice. It reminds me of the T10 that I have. I like that case, so really good there. So let's see here. It tells you left and right on there, which I have it upside down. But yeah, tells you left and right there. There are some connections that charges it. There we go. So as soon as I drop that in, little LED light come up right there. And that light right there is saying that it's charging. Okay, so pretty standard stuff, right? Pretty standard stuff. You know, it feels sturdy. It doesn't feel like hollow like some of the other cases. The way it opens is pretty good too, by the way. And then what else does it have in here? It's got a bunch of tips for you. I mean, if you're one of those that's trying to find the right tip, I think this is gonna work out just fine. And then we got ourselves some, wow, they got a whole box just to have this little bit of cord in it. USB-C, okay. So great, because USB-C, you know, it can charge you a little bit faster than the standard, you know, micro. So I'm glad they done that. USB-C goes back here, by the way. All right, so now it's screaming at me and telling me it needs to pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's see what the fit's like here. Okay, when I put it in my ears, it feels like plugging an earplug, actually. So it looks like there's no like transparency or anything like that. But anyway, let's not jump to conclusion here, and then let's go ahead and hook it up. Tons of Bluetooth stuff. Okay, there we go. Tozo NC9, and it says connected. It has audible that says it's connected. So now that it's connected, let's go ahead and go to like Spotify real quick. Let's play something here. So guys, the connection and stuff like that's pretty fast. It's pretty fast. Okay, so let's see. This song right here that I'm playing has a lot of bass, so let's see what it is. The bass is good. The bass is really good. This part has more bass than any of the Tozo model that I've had previously. Yeah, it sounds really good. Not sure if this is on. Let me just pause the music real quick. So now let's test out the noise cancellation on this. I'm gonna hold this ear to see if it, okay, power off, never mind. Holding the headset powers it on and off. Tap 3 times, turn on Siri, on here. Let's do this ear. So this is where you control the noise cancellation right here on the left-hand side. I double tap and it says transparent mode. And now I can actually, it's like actually amplifying all the noise around me to let me hear myself and also everything else around me more. So transparent mode is good. So it says ANC Mode, which is active noise cancellation. So that's good. I mean, it blocks out my AC and my computer back here. Let me turn it off. It blocks out the hissing sound. That's what I feel like. It doesn't, it's not the best noise cancellation that I've ever used, but it's there. Yeah, I mean, it blocks out a lot of stuff. AC, definitely it blocks that out. All the humming noise, it blocks all of that out. So my computer is humming, the AC unit is humming. I don't hear the outside as much. So yeah, I mean, the noise cancellation work. Just don't expect like high-end quality noise cancellation. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna tell you right now, and that's just my opinion. Once you get these, you can be the judge of it. But to me, the noise cancellation is good enough to where it warrants the price, but not like, you know, don't come into this and expect Bose noise cancellation. All right, so I think that's good right there. And the ear fit. This default one for me, the ear fits pretty good. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall out at all. If you were to jog, running, yeah, it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall out at all. So the ear fit's good. I mean, it's almost the same as some of the other ones that I have from Tozo, and they've so far done a really good job. So yeah, I think this is a good like entry level noise cancellation. Again, I don't think it's like Bose level noise cancellation, which you going into this, you probably shouldn't expect Bose quality or AirPod Pro quality. Yeah, because you're paying for a portion of the price. But anyway, I think this is a good entry level if you need noise cancellation for your headset. It has really good bass on the song that I listen to. Do I recommend? Yeah, I would. I mean, if I didn't have any other noise cancellation headset, I think this is, you know, would be fantastic for me. Overjoy, actually. So yeah, I would say this is a good one. Anyway, guys, that's a quick one right there. Tozo NC9. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.